guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious bistec ranchero a la mexicana con huevos ahogados. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay, we're going to begin by roasting 5 tomatillos and 2 Roma tomatoes. So just allow them to get nice and sharp all around. Okay, so once our tomatillos and tomatoes are nice and roasted, we're going to remove them from the heat. And make sure that your tomatillos have changed color. That's how you know that they're done. Now we're just going to be toasting 3 chile guajillos. Now I don't want my salsa to be spicy, so that's why I'm using guajillo, along with 2 chile moritas or chile chipotles. Of course, if you want your salsa to be spicier, you can add more. But this right here is going to be perfect. So we're just going to give it 30 seconds per side. Okay, and once you begin to smell the chiles, we're going to transfer them to boiling hot water and just allow them to sit there for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, we're going to remove our chiles from the water. And now we can get ready to make our salsa. To a blender cup, we're going to add 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 of a cup of water. We're just going to be blending into smooth. Okay, so once our chiles are nice and blended, we're going to add our chiles, blend again. Okay, so blend it for a few seconds. And now we're going to add our tomatillos and tomatoes and just pulse it for about 5 times. Okay, and just like that, we have our salsa, so now we can get ready to start cooking. Okay, to my cast iron over high heat, I'm going to be adding oil to the bottom of it. And we're just going to allow it to get nice and hot. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our 3 potatoes. And I'm just going to season them with garlic, salt, and black pepper. And now we're just going to cook them for about 4 minutes. Okay, after 4 minutes, we're going to remove our potatoes. Okay, now to our skillet, we're going to be adding 2 pounds of steak. I'm using skirt, but of course you can always use your choice. And I'm just going to be seasoning with salt and black pepper. And now we're just going to allow our meat to cook. Okay, after 5 minutes, our meat should have browned. So here we're going to add half an onion, 2 Roma tomatoes, and 1 jalapenos with no seeds. Of course, if you want it spicy, add a chile serrano. So we're just going to mix it and just give it about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we return our potatoes, mix them in. And here we're going to add our salsa. Going to add a little more water to my blender cup. And I just mix it. And we're going to bring it to a simmer. Okay, and as soon as it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if we need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So now we're just going to reduce the heat to medium. We're going to begin to move our potatoes and meat to the side. And here we're going to begin to add our egg. Okay, so move it over, add the egg. And just add a little salt on top of the egg. And of course, depending on how many eggs you want to add, then it depends on how many you're going to use. Okay, and once we have our eggs, we're just going to cover them and allow them to cook for 5 minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes, our delicious bistec ranchero con huevos ahogados is done. So now we can get ready to serve. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, so delicious. It's not spicy at all. The chile chipotles or the morita, they just give it a nice smoky flavor. It's so delicious. Hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. And of course, depending on how runny you want your egg, then it depends on how long you cook it. Just make sure to keep your pan nice and covered. But I am so ready. And I like to enjoy it with flour tortillas. So cheers and enjoy. So delicious. the potatoes, the steak, everything, so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make some delicious bistec ranchero con huevos ahogados. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.